Hello, friends. Good evening again. This is Amit. Dahiya. We are going to learn arithmetic progression, and this an arithmetic progression we are at the exercise 5.3, the sum of first n terms of an AP. So before that, I would like to share some content that today what we are going to do. So the most important, the properties of an AP. In very less classes these properties are discussed, so please be careful and try to understand what I am going to tell. The application of sum of n terms applications, it means we are going for the questions of NCERT, question number 1 to 6, and nth term of an AP. What before that we have learned this nth term of an AP is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, but here we will learn one more formula for nth term of an AP. So properties of an AP. Properties of an AP. Suppose if we are having an AP like a1 comma a2 comma a3 up to an, and with common difference d, it means what? a1 comma a2 comma a3 up to an with common difference d. So first properties, it is said that if you add here, if you add in each term any constant, if you add in each term any constant, then we got a1 plus k, suppose k is the constant, comma a2 plus k, comma a3 plus k up to an plus k. This sequence is or are in AP also. Are you getting or not? So a1 plus k, a2 plus k, a3 plus k up to an plus k, this sequence is also in AP when some constant is added to each and every term of an AP. Are you getting or not? Yes. So next property, what is the next property? We are going for the next property, that if we subtract any constant k in each term of an AP, then suppose we can write this a1 minus k up to a2 minus k, a3 minus k up to an minus k. This sequence is also an AP. Yes or no? Got it? Third, same, if we multiply any constant k with each term of an AP, then also the new sequence is in AP, are in AP. So suppose we a1 in k, second is a2 into k, third is a3 into k, fourth up to an into k, and the last, if you divide each term of an AP like a1 upon k, a2 upon k up to an upon k, these all sequences are in also AP. So what we learn here? We learn here, if we add any constant in each of the term, if we subtract any constant in each of the term of an AP, if we multiply each term of an AP with any constant k, if we divide by any constant k with by each term of an AP, then the result is also an AP. Got it or not? Yes or no? So next, most important is that in this we can start here sum of terms equidistant, sum of terms equidistant from the beginning and end. What I said, sum of terms equidistant from the beginning and end are equal to the sum of first and last term, are equal to the first sum of first and last term. You remember that in the slide 3 we ghost technique. If 1 we want to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 100, and then we reverse this 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus up to 1. It means that कि इन दो टर्म्स का सम, फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टर्म का सम इक्वल होता है किसके, जो टर्म्स पीछे से और आगे से इक्विडिस्टेंस, जैसे यहाँ से 92 आया और इससे पीछे 99 आया, यहाँ 2 एंड देयर इज 92 एंड द बोथ टर्म सम इज आल्सो 101. If this is 3 and we count from the last third term, that is equal to 3 and 98, and if you add this, then this is also equal to 101. If you add the fourth and the last from the fourth, that is 97, that also gives the 101 terms. Got it or not? Yes or no? Yes. So next, nth term of an AP. So to understand this, first I would like to share one example. Like that, we are having an AP 1, 2, 3. The 1 is the first term, 2 is the second term, 3 is the third term. First term, second term, and the third term. Got it or not? Yes. The first term, second term and the third term. If want to add sum का मतलब जोड़ होता है, you know very well, and summation we can write that as equal to sum. So sum of first term, what should be the sum of first term? It means first term is 1 only and the sum of 1 is 1, so sum of 1. And then 1 is equal to what? First term. What you conclude here? Please remember what you conclude here. कि S1, we can say that we conclude here that S1 means sum of first term. S1 is equal to A is equal to first term. Yes or no? This is very important things, you have to understand this. So next, if you want to sum of two terms, it means first and second, any 1 plus 2. Sum of two terms is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, or we can write A is equal to S2. Are you getting or not? So S2 is equal to 3, and what is the sum? 1, that equals to 1. Now S2 minus S1, what you get? 3 minus 1, that equals to 2. And in this last we written that 1, 2 and 3, and 2 is what? 2 is the second term. Yes or no? So we can say that second term is equal to S2 माइनस S1। और ध्यान दें यहाँ सम ऑफ टू टर्म है तो उससे एक पीछे एक कम करके S1, तो इट मीन्स थर्ड टर्म व्हाट शुड बी इक्वल टू थर्ड टर्म S3 माइनस एक पीछे करेंगे S2। आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट? और यू कैन यूज दिस कि sum of third term what should be equal to third term. First you should AP, write AP 1 2 3, and the sum of S3 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 6 is equal to 6, and S2, what is S2? S2 is 3, so S3 minus S2 that gives us 6 minus 3 that gives us 3. Got it or not? Yes. And 3 is the third term. So same way nth term is equal to Sn minus n से एक कम means n minus 1, so Sn minus 1. तो nth term of an AP is also equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. S sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. Are you getting or not? So please remember nth term can be the equals to sum of first n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. Please understand it. So the next question comes from the NCERT question. First question, last part I think. Find the sum of the APs if first term is, what is A here? A is 1 by 15, and second term is 1 by 12, then 1 by 10, then 11 terms. So are you able to write n is here 11? Can you able to find out D? D can be equals to second term is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. If we are going for the LCM is 60, 5 minus 4, it means 1 by 60. Are you getting or not? So D we are having 1 by 60. So are you able to find remember the sum formula? Sum of n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Got it or not? So are you able to write A is 1 by 15, n, so n is 11 by 2 into 2 into A is 1 by 15 into n minus 1, 11 minus 1 plus 10 into D is 1 by 60. Yes or no? 1 0 says 0 cancel, and that can also be written as S11 is equal to 11 by 2 and 2a 2 into 9, 2 into 1 by 15 plus 1 by 6, and the 11 by 2 here LCM is what is the LCM here? Bracket LCM is 30, and 4 plus 5, it means 11 by 2 into 9 by 30, or you can cancel out this 10 and this cancel out 3, it means 33 upon 20. So S11 is equal to 33 upon 20. Got it or not? Yes beta, got it. Please take care this. There is nothing a big. You have to first three terms A, what should be the A, find n, what should be the n, and what is the D in the given question, and last term or Sn. there are given 5 terms. Out of 5 any 3 or 4 are given in the question and you have to find one terms. So simple questions, very easy questions are there. So second question, last part, find the sum. So first what I have to do, you have to do first find a is here -5 and d is -8 minus plus 5, it means -3. Got it? And the last term we assume that nth term is -230. To find the Sn, we are required n by 2 into 2a, yeah, a plus l, because last term is here, we can use this formula. A is also there, l is also there. What do you have? N. We are not having n, so find the n. You can find n from the nth term. Nth term says that a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to -230. What is a? -5 plus n minus 1 into d is -3 is equal to -230. If you solve this, you transpose this, minus this is -5, that side is +5, -230 plus 5 -225, and -225 divided by -3 is equal to n minus 1. Minus is cancel out with minus and this cancel out with 3 just 750. 75, n is equal to 1 transpose here, 75 plus 1, that equals to 76. Are you able to find the sum? So S76 is equal to 76 divided by 2 into a is, what is a? -5, and what is the last term? Plus -230. Yes or no? So this is cancel out, 338 into -235. So multiply this and you got the answer. Got it or not, beta? Yes. The next questions of NCERT as first question, that how many terms of the AP? First AP is given that what? AP is given 9, 7. So A is given 9. What is D? D is given 8. And it is said that must be taken to give a sum of this. It means S sum given है. Sum किसका? N terms का. We don't know the N, so sum of N terms, that is equals to 636. So write the formula here. Sn is equal to n by 2. 2 into a is 9 plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? Got it or not? So you can write here 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into d is 8. Got it or not? Yes. You can take out 2 as a common. 2 से 2 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा यहाँ से, और 2 से यहाँ 4 बच जाएगा. So we got that 336 is equal to n into 9 plus n minus 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 4n minus 4. Yes or no? So that equals to n into 9 minus 4, 5. 4n plus 5, that gives also 4n square plus 5n. If you transpose this side, so -636 is equal to 0, and you will got a quadratic equation here. You will got a quadratic equation here, and one properties is there in this. What is that? It is that कि किसी भी सीक्वेंस में अगर आपसे पूछा जाए आपका सम ऑफ n टर्म्स, कोई क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बनती है, quadratic equation without its constant term के बिना, then that sequence should be in the AP, must be in the AP में होगी ही होगी. Are you getting or not? So you can factorize this 4n square plus 5n minus 636. So easily 4n square plus 5n, or this you can 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0, and n is common here, so 4n plus 30 53n minus 4 is here, minus 4 not, minus 12 common, then you get 4n minus plus 53. So 4n plus 53, first bracket, second bracket is n minus 12. So this cannot be the n is equal to minus 53 by n, or n is equal to 12. So n is a natural number, so 12 is the right value. This is not a natural number. Got it or not? Yes, got it. The next question, if we go for the next question, the first term of an AP is A and the last term is 5 and the sum is given 400. Find the number of terms. Sn given है आपके पास, A given है आपके पास. अगर मैं आपसे बात करूँ इसी क्वेश्चन की, तो आपके पास क्या क्या गिवन है. देयर इज A फर्स्ट टर्म, A इज गिवन 5, L is given is equal to 45 and Sn is given to 400. Are you able to find n? So simple. Formula is that 400 is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. L means last term. Yes or no? Sn is 400. Put the values and find the value of n. Got it or not? Yes. Next question. First and the last term of an AP. A is given, what is here? A 17, L is given 350. If the common difference D is equal to 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? First you have to find out n. N can be find out from the last term. L is equal to nth term and n can be 7. We can say nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A here? 17 plus n minus 1 into what is D here? 9. Got it or not? It means you transpose this, you will got, if you transpose here, or you are able to solve this. I think you are able to solve this. So 35 is equal to 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. So transpose is 35 minus 17, 18 I think so, divided by 9, that equals to 2 is equal to n minus 1, and transpose here n is equal to 3. Yes or no? If n is there, you are able to find out the S3. Yes or no? So I request you that please do and try all the question. If you are not getting, so please remind me, comment me, and please share this video, like and comment and subscribe. Thank you.